Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion on your laptop. First, download the Notion desktop application from their official website. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main workspace, including the sidebar where your pages and databases reside. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to organize your thoughts and projects efficiently. Now that you're set up, let's build your workspace. You can easily add new pages and subpages to structure your content logically. Notion offers many block types, such as simple text, headings, bullet points, and even to-do lists, to help you capture information. For more structured data, like tasks or notes, organize your pages into databases. This flexibility allows you to tailor Notion to your specific needs, whether for personal use or team collaboration. To make Notion truly yours, explore its customization options. You can personalize pages with unique icons and cover images, and even use pre-built templates to jumpstart your projects. Linking pages together creates a seamless navigation experience, making it easy to jump between related content. When working with others, sharing pages allows for real-time collaboration, ensuring everyone stays on the same page and contributes effectively to shared goals. To get the most out of Notion, focus on maximizing your productivity. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow, saving you valuable time. Consider integrating Notion with other tools you use, like calendars or communication apps, for a more unified system. Finally, make it a habit to regularly review and update your workspace. This ensures your Notion setup remains relevant and effective for all your ongoing projects and tasks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.